I'm Matthew Williams, I'm 21 and this year I've been working for Yogi Communications and creating logos, brand identities, documents like annual reports and interactive PDFs, stuff like that.
Hi, fi yw Hayley Williams, 25 oed, dod o Cyfle. Fi wedi bod yn gweithio I BBC Cymru a fi wedi bod yn gwneud amrywiaeth o bethau. Fi wedi bod yn gweithio ar amrywiaeth o prosiectau fel BBC Cymru Fyw, Tynnu Lluniau, codio XML ar gyfer bite size a gwaith ymchwil I hwnnw cyda, golygu fideos, neud lluniau, Photoshop, loads of bethau.
I'm Stephen Tarr, I'm 19, I live in Bridgend. I'm a junior app developer for Third Media, which works with Bait Studio. I do the day-to-day quality control for the apps and preparing assets, as well as working on live projects and working on the websites.
Before this I did my education in school, so 2 years of graphic design in school, then moved on to college and did 2 years there, and then I was out looking for an apprenticeship and managed to find this one.
Cyn Prentisiad, o'n i'n gweithio mewn swyddfa ar gyfer cyngor Caerdydd. O'n i jyst bach yn diflas o ffeindio sy'n Prentisiad ar Trydar, so nes I wneud cais, dyma fi.
I was in college doing a BTEC in ICT, so I was just different units of overall ICT, and then from there you'd go into a specific, so like graphic design or web design.
So, y peth gorau yw gweithio gyda pobl sydd wedi bod yn gweithio yn y sector o blynyddoedd, so ti'n cael dysgu pethau fas ti ddim really yn dysgu yn prifysgol.
Getting paid to have on-the-job experience. Although in uni you may learn a bit more about the background of it, you've got on-the-job experience, and now I've got a year to put on my CV that I've done work, so it should help me in the future.
Yeah, I definitely recommend it, especially hearing from friends that have gone to university and stuff and are a bit stuck for what they want to do, and yeah.
Bas ni'n argymell y prentisiaid I bobl sydd ddim really yn gwybod beth maen nhw moyn wneud. Nhw'n gwybod bod nhw'n moyn gweithio yn y sector ond ddim really gwybod am beth. Neu pobl sydd jyst moyn newid yn ein bywydau.
Yeah, I definitely recommend an apprenticeship. It helped me a lot more. It'll give you a lot more experience compared to what you'd get coming out of uni.